Welcome back to my channel Online Classes by Kavita Sachdeva. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe my channel and like this video. Today I am going to start the topics of aptitude test, which is the important part of every competitive exam like Olympiad, HSSC, KVS, UGC, etc. Now first topic of this aptitude test is series. Now series is divided into three parts: number series, alphabet series and letter series. Number series, now in number series what you will do, a number series consists of digits, okay, and operation done on the number series is sum, subtraction, division, multiplication, square, square root, cube, cube root. Okay, now number series is divided into two parts. First is complete the given series and second is picking the wrong element. In the number series, I am giving you example. Which of the following will come in place of question mark? Question is 1, 8, 27, 64, then question mark. You have to complete the series. Okay. First option is 100, second is 121, third is 125 and fourth is 316. Now see this series. 1 can be written as 1 cube is equal to 1, 8 is equal to 2 cube is equal to 8 and 3 cube is equal to 27, 4 cube is equal to 64 and next will be in the series 5 cube is equal to 125. Now C is the correct answer. Next example is which of the following will come in place of question mark? 2, 5, 9, 19, 37 and question mark. Now what will you write in place of this to complete the series? Now see, 2, when you multiply 2 by 2, 2 2s are 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. You will get 5. Okay, 5 2s are 10 minus 1 9. Okay, 9 2s are 18, 9 2s are 18 plus 1 19, 19 2s are 38 minus 1 37. Okay, now one time it is adding 1 and other time subtracting 1, adding 1 and subtracting 1. Okay, now it is the subtraction here. Now next time we will add 1, 37 multiplied by 2 plus 1. Okay, 74 plus 1 is equal to 75. Okay, 75 is the answer. What will you replace this? 75. Now answer is 75. Next question is question number 3. Series is 0, 3, 8, question mark, 24. Now what will you write in place of this to complete this series? First option is 12, second option is 14, third is 15 and fourth is 11. Now 0 can be written as 1 square minus 1, that is 1 minus 1 0. 3 can be written as 2 square minus 1, 2 square 4, 4 minus 1 3. Now 8 can be written as 3 square minus 1, 9 minus 1 8. Now in the next series, number in the series, next number in the series is 4 square minus 1, that is 16 minus 1 is 15. Next number is 5 square minus 1, 25 minus 1 is equal to 24, that is 16 minus 1 is 15. C is the correct answer. Next question is this question can come in the exam. Suppose this triangle is given it is divided into 4 parts, 3, 4, 5 and middle part 12, 6, 5, 7, 18, 6, 4, question mark 15. Now what will you write in place of question mark? Now see this, 3 plus 4 7 plus 5 12, 6 plus 5 11 plus 7 18, 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. What will you write here? 5. Sum of these 3 equal to the middle part. Okay, answer is 5. Next question is, one number is incorrect in the following series. इस सीरीज में एक नंबर इनकरेक्ट है, आपको वो नंबर फाइंड आउट करना है. 4, 13, 22, 31, 40, 49, 58, 69, 76, 85. सजेस्ट द चेंज. आपको बताना है वो नंबर आपको किस से रिप्लेस करना है. फर्स्ट ऑप्शन इज 76 शुड बी रिप्लेस्ड बाय 74, 69 should be replaced by 67, 69 should be replaced by 65. Now see the series. 4 plus 9 is 13, 13 plus 9 22, 22 plus 9 31, 31 plus 9 40, 40 plus 9 49, 49 plus 9 58, 58 plus 9 is 67. Now it is incorrect. This number is incorrect. 67. Now 69 should be replaced by 67. Option is 69 should be replaced by 67. 69 की जगह हमें क्या लिखना है? 67. B is the correct answer. Next is alphabet series. Alphabet series consists of alphabets. Okay, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H means alphabet से बनी होती है ये series. For example, question number 1, what will come next in series? A, Z, B, Y, C, X. Next, what will come? Now, see the series A, B, C. Increasing order. A के बाद B, B के बाद क्या आ रहा है? C, C के बाद क्या आएगा आपका? D, C के बाद क्या आएगा? D. Now, Z, Y, X. रिवर्स ऑर्डर में लिखी हुई है ABC. Z, Y, X. Now क्या आएगा रिवर्स ऑर्डर में? W, because we write W, X, Y, Z. Okay, it is in reverse order. Now your answer is DW. Next question is find the next shape. Question can come in this shape also. For example, in one group given T4, 6O, K9, 13H, F18. Now next, what will you write here? Now see there, FGH. Now if we write here E, F, G, H, 2 increase, 1 increase, F, G, H. Okay, then I, J, K, 2. फिर L, M, N. K के बाद L, M, N, O. Then P, Q, R, S. देखो no increase. Next alphabet आ रहा है. Then 1 increase, then 2 increase, then 3 increase, then 4 increase. Okay. Next, 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 3, 4. Plus 2, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 4, 13. 13 plus 5, 18. 18 plus 6, 24. Now 24E is your answer. 24E, C option is the correct answer. Next series is A, C, F, H, question mark, M. Now what will you write here to complete the series? Now see A, C, कितना gap है? A, B, C, one alphabet gap. Then C, D, E, F, two alphabet gap. Now F के बाद G, H, one alphabet gap, two alphabet gap, one alphabet gap, then again two alphabet gap आएगा. Okay, G, H, then I, J, क्या आएगा यहाँ पर? K. Okay, then again one alphabet gap, two के बाद one alphabet gap, K, L, M. Okay, now what will you write here? K. Answer is K. Next question is C, A, T, comma, F, D, W, comma, I, G, Z. Then complete this series. What will come next? Now see, you will compare first alphabet with the first alphabet with this first alphabet. Now gap in the first alphabet C और F में कितना gap है? C, D, E, F, two alphabets का gap. F के बाद G, H, I, then इसका फर्स्ट अल्फ़ाबेट क्या होगा? I के बाद J, K, L. ओके, J, K, L. नाउ सेकेंड अल्फ़ाबेट. सेकेंड अल्फ़ाबेट A और D कितना गैप है? A, B, C, टू अल्फ़ाबेट्स का गैप. D, E, F, G, टू अल्फ़ाबेट्स का गैप. Then again two alphabets का gap. G, H, I, J. Okay, H, I, J. Now T और W में कितना गैप है? T, U, V, W. Okay, T, U, V, T, U, V, W. Okay, then again two alphabet gap X, Y, Z. Now again reverse जाएगा. Z के बाद Z से पहले स्टार्टिंग होती है ABC, Z से पहले A, B, C. Okay, नेक्स्ट क्या आएगा यहाँ पर? A, B, C. L, J, C is the answer. Correct answer is LJC. Next type of series is letter series. In this type of series, some sequence of alphabets are given and you have to find next combination of alphabets. Okay, combination of alphabets series complete करने के लिए आपको find out करने हैं. For example, AAB dash, AAB dash, AAB dash. Now see, कम्बिनेशन क्या बन रहा है? देखो, ए ए बी बी, ए ए बी बी, ए ए बी बी. तो इसमें क्या आएगा? ए ए बी बी, ए ए बी बी, ए ए बी बी. नाउ बी 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 ऑप्शन में देखो क्या है. फर्स्ट ऑप्शन इज बी बी ए, सेकेंड इज ए बी बी, थर्ड इज बी ए बी एंड डी इज B, B, B. Now D is the correct answer. Next question is A dash B A dash C B A C dash A dash B A. Now combination देखो क्या बन रहा है? A dash B A C B A, then A C B A, A C B A, A C B A. आपको वही कम्बिनेशन रिपीट करना है. A C B A, then ACBA कॉम्बिनेशन रिपीट करना है. ओके, नेक्स्ट में ACBA, ACBA, ACBA. नाउ A-BA, ACBA. नाउ डैश में क्या है आपका CABC. ऑप्शन इज बी, ऑप्शन इज योर करेक्ट आंसर, CABC. If you like our video, please press like button and subscribe my channel and share to more and more people. Thank you.